I am making fried cabbage today. So first things first, we got some chopped cabbage. Blanch it in some boiling water. Let it go for a minute. Then we'll shock it in ice water to keep it crunchy. So we drain the cabbage, let it hang out for a minute. And while we do that, we get started on our seasoning. We're gonna crisp up some bacon. Once you drain the bacon, you take and slice half of an onion and you add it right back to that bacon fat. Okay, so once your onions start looking nice and caramelized, raise your heat to a medium high and start adding your cabbage back. Okay, this is a mound of cabbage. It looks like a lot, but it's gonna cook down. So we're gonna put a top over it and let it cook down for a couple of minutes. Look at that. Smells incredible. We added our bacon back. Now we're just gonna add a couple of more seasonings to finish it off. Black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, of chicken, bouillon, pepper flakes. Done. And the rest is history. Nice seasoned fried cabbage with bacon, onions, nice and sweet, delicious.